May I come in, sir?
Yes, please.
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Be seated, please.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Niranjan.
Yes, sir.
First of all, tell us something about yourself.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am. Thank you very much giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Niranjan Pradhan. I am born and brought up in Odisha. I have been living in Asansol since 2011 due to my job. I completed diploma engineering in mechanical and now I am an employee of East Coast Steel Plant. My strength is, sir, hardworking, positive attitude and honesty, and my weakness is, sir, I am trusting easily everyone, and also I am sometimes I help others a lot, and my hobby is, sir, watching TV special news and sir, sometimes I write something and also I want to teach my children. And thank you very much, sir. It's all about me.
Okay, so as you said that your weakness is you trust someone easily. So what is your suggestion to us or others? We should stop trusting others or what?
Yeah, right, sir. Actually, when someone emotionally talk with us, that time we also emotion and we help. But we that time we don't know the real, what is the real. But after some time, after 1 day, 2 days, maybe 1 year ago, then I know the real. But they have no problem, but they emotionally motivate me and they got the help. And I suggest others, first of all, don't hate others in the spot, I can say, in the position.
Okay. Time should be changed.
Yeah, time should be needed.
Okay.
First of all, you know him and her, then you can help.
So you said that you love to write something. So what kind of things do you love to write?
Especially, sir, nowadays I am writing especially English grammar, idioms,
Okay.
and some phrases also, and where we use article, where you use phrase, where you use many things, sir. Like in English, now I am talking with English.
Okay. So most of the candidates who are learning English, they are learning English because they want to get a good job. Already you are in job.
Yeah,
so according to you, why is it needed for you or for other candidates who are in job?
Especially, sir, it's need for me because, sir, sir, as you know, I got a job. Already in my job, sir, sometimes I talking with my boss, my HR head, and also she messaged me in English.
Okay.
And that time I have to reply. I have no option. And also, it especially helps me for my children.
Okay.
Nowadays, what happened? I have to go to the parents meeting. That time what happened? They are talking in English. If that time I didn't talk, but I will not talk. So that time I am feeling nervous and feeling low, poor. So it's that's why I am learning English. And for others, I think in today's society English is very necessary for us. If we suppose now I am going to a bank in the office, that time what happened? And all things are, I think, written in English. Also in local language, but I think most of the things written in English. And also we have to write application, we have to talk, we have to. And another thing, sir, nowadays all people use mobile. And mobile, suppose now I am using mobile, suppose I wrongly I use a key, and that time some English sentence will come. If I know the answer, if I will not the answer, how can I operate the mobile? It's also
You have to operate the modern technical things also
Yeah,
you should be part.
yes.
So can you tell me the difference whenever before learning spoken English you used to join parents meeting?
Yeah.
And now also
Yeah.
you must have joined some parents meeting.
Yes.
So can you tell me the difference before joining spoken English? What was the condition? And nowadays, if you are joining parents meeting, is there any difference?
Yes, sir, there is a big difference.
Okay.
Actually, before time, when I go to the school, that time, sir, I didn't speak English, sir. Okay. And that time also, I was very nervous because if I say English, it's wrong. Then, ma'am or sir, what do you think? Actually, they think my if parents actually don't know how to, actually English don't know. Actually, I think there are negative thing for me and also my children.
It decreases our
Yeah,
confidence also.
Yeah, also my dignity also.
Yes.
And nowadays, sir, I am very happy to when I go to school, especially PTM. Now I am speaking not 100% but 80% I can speak now, sir.
Okay.
And now it's going on. And in my life, if your bliss is going on, sir, I think I will be a good speaker and I can speak very quickly.
You are a good speaker. Now you are a good speaker.
I think I am good in English now also, sir.
Yes, learning never ends. It is a continuous process.
Yes.
So certainly now also you are a good speaker.
Yes.
So in work, already you are in work. So what is the importance of honesty in work?
Yes, sir.
Or there is no value of honesty, because if you are dishonest, you will be promoted by just buttering the boss, or honesty works. What do you think?
Yeah. Sir, honesty is the quality of being truthful, fair, and sir, sincerity. Okay, sir. In my job, sincerity and punctual, all things I think are truth very necessary, sir.
Okay.
Because if you nowadays, suppose today I have some work and I tell lie. I told lie to my boss, my HOD. Sir, the work is completed, sir. There is no problem. And after 5 minutes, after 15 minutes, if any problem will happen, and the real thing will know my HOD. Niranjan didn't work properly, and she told me lie. So that time, I think they can letter me like the letter is especially warning letter also. Also maybe another thing, and it's actually the real thing. But sir, it's necessary, because if we don't tell truth, if you don't observe honesty, so I think we will, in our life, we will get more problem, because truth is truth always, and we can't forget, sir. We can't forget. Truth is truth.
What is about this concept? Many people think that buttering the boss is the main thing.
Actually, nowadays, sir, actually it's going on up to British, sir. British, okay, sir.
Okay.
But I think it's going on, but honesty and hard working is very necessary for it.
Okay.
And watering is not the right process to grow. I think watering is only a way only to please the boss, but not the success, sir.
Love and labor. What do you pray for and why?
I think, sir, my opinion, labor is better than love. Actually, sometimes we think our love is not going on, I am hardworking and I did not get job. Also, my friend and some of the students also told me when the spoken class was going on. But I think, sir, especially labor is very necessary for us. If we work hard daily, I think one day will come, that day we must success.
Okay. Love can be controlled.
Yeah, love can be
With the help of
yeah.
Okay, as we know, you are a person who is already in a job.
Yeah.
Okay, so what, according to you, is the biggest achievement what you have achieved so far, and what, according to you, will be the biggest achievement which you will achieve in the near future?
Okay. Actually, ma'am, I got the job. Also, I am well settled, and now, ma'am, I am working very hard, also sincere. And my achievement is, ma'am, actually, there is a position, there is a post JO, junior officer, and now I am trying to get the job. And also not only work, I have to study also. And there is a written exam also. And after if you qualify the exam, then you will attend the interview. After that, you will get the job. And it is my, actually now it's going on my work. How can I get it? This process is going on, sir.
So what is your suggestion to those candidates, those strugglers who are struggling to get a job? So what kind of labor or what kind of mindset they should have?
Yeah. Actually, first of all, the mindset is positive. Don't negative. Don't think negative. First of all, they should think always positive attitude and work hard. don't think in now I'm didn't crack the job. I think I will not get the job. Then I can go other way. But I think that is not right way. They have to do hard labor daily, and they have to practice all subject. Which subject will come in exam, and especially they don't fear and they don't. I think sir, they don't avoid the study actually. If they avoid study, I think they avoid their life, because life is not one day. We cannot say one day. It's actually in our life means maybe more, maybe less. We don't know, but we should labor hard and we'll try to up to we will not get the job. It is my suggestion.
Okay. If a candidate does not get success in some target that he has made, so what is your suggestion to that candidate?
Actually, also sometimes I think all people of world love God and pray to God, and I think God is everywhere present and God is watching all things. What are you doing? So I think don't back the line. If you doing labor hard, it's continuing, and I think one will come, sir. One will come, and God bless him and her must, and sure he will get the success.
Labor is never wasted.
Yes.
Okay. So money is everything. Do you agree?
No, sir. Money is not everything, sir.
Why?
Because sir, if we have money, we have no food, then we can't live, sir. Actually, money is the way of living, okay, sir. It's not the end of our life. I think our end of life is especially love to God, pray to God, and money is a way of living, especially or nothing, sir. Okay.
Okay, so Niranjan,
Yeah.
my question is, if you got the opportunity to be the Prime Minister of India for one day, what will be the two major steps which you would like to take
Okay.
in order to make your country grow more and more?
Okay, thank you. Actually, sir, ma'am, it will not possible one day one prime minister can do anything of one thing. But I want to change two things only, especially for our Indian people. One thing is education, another thing is health. And I think I will be free two things, actually education and health. In all places, not only private government. If you want to treatment any private hospital, then you can go and free. If you want to government hospital, then you can go and you treatment free. And also study. There are many schools like private and government also. I think who have the talent, who crack the reading exam, I think they can study any school, not private, not government. It's my opinion, and I can, if I were the prime minister, then I will do it.
So education must be free to all.
Yeah, education and health.
Okay.
Health.
Okay.
Okay. Two.
So is there any changes that you want in the present education system, apart from whatever fees or payment is there, apart from that, in the system of teaching learning system? So do you think that any changes should be brought?
I think, sir, one thing maybe changed. Tuition is now going on, especially who got the God teacher, they can do, especially most of the tuition do. I think that is not the good way to teaching. Actually, they didn't teach properly in the school. They
So government teachers should not be allowed to take private tuition, you mean?
Yes. I am actually, it's my opinion, sir.
Okay, as you mentioned earlier, that hard work is important to get success,
Yeah.
as well as good mindset.
Yeah.
So, do you think a person who is having a good mindset and doing hard work, these two things are enough for him to be a successful person in life? And if not, then what are the qualities? What are the other qualities?
Ma'am, I think one thing we can add, like our parents bless and God's bless also. and we always respect, especially our teacher, our parents, and our senior, and also junior. And especially we have to change our behavior. Then I think with labor hard and all things, then we can get success.
There is a saying called discipline is the key to success.
Yeah.
What is your view about this?
Ma'am, it is right, ma'am. Discipline actually very essential for a student, especially student, because she has to come to school right time, right uniform, and all homework should be done, and study time should be perfect. And I think that is the we can add the discipline of the student.
Okay, this is about a student's life. So, what is the definition of discipline in an adult's life, according to you?
Yeah. Actually, discipline means in adult after that study completed. They have a lot of pressure, a lot of the responsibility they have to do, and especially children, family member like parents, they have to watch properly. They have to care, especially senior citizen parents like grandparents also, and also apart from that, also he how to care, how to improve their children, how to good behave their children, and also maintain it and learn their children, and also how to manage their marriage life, like especially their spouse, how to behave with them, and how to communicate parent, wife, children, all things. I think that is the thing.
Okay, Niranjan. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you, sir. And I'm happy to see a August person like you with my life.
Thank you very much.
And now, sir, lastly, I want to say it was a pleasure speaking with you. Thank you, ma'am and sir.